Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Waves. Get ready because today we are talking about something exciting. Now before we jump in, quickly disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research, your own due diligence, and never invest money if you are not willing to lose. Alright everyone, what exactly is Drunky? What makes it interesting? Why are people starting to talk about it? Let's break it all down step by step and see what this project is really about. Meet Drunky. Born from spilled beer and bad decisions, Drunky token is a purple man and Solana never asked for. He drinks, he memes, he shows up at your chart like a hangover at 9 am. No vision, no purpose, just pure decentralized chaos with sunglasses and a pitchfork. Here we have their chart criminal, generate icon, and bear maximal. First we have their tokenomic details. You can check it out, the token symbol, their total supply, LP tokens burned at listing, and 0% taxes. Here you can see their chart. You must see their chart. Their chart is increasing day by day, and you can also buy these tokens right here and enjoy their benefits. Next we have their contract address. You must copy their contract address, paste it on your wallet, connect your wallet, and buy these tokens. Next we have their trusted partners powering the Drunky ecosystem. Their trusted partner is Pink Sale, DexView, and Fresh Coin. Next we have the birth of Drunky. In a cosmic bar packed with Diggins, memes, and poker chips, the music stopped. A spilled beer, a swirl of purple smoke, and boom, he appeared. Drunky, the beer-filled devils, spawned from pure chaos into the Solana chain. No rules, no plan, just vibing, memes, and a mission to drunk his way on the moon. Here you can see that what Drunky says. Next we have the frequently asked question. Here you can see the frequently asked question like, is this a scam? Where is the roadmap? Real utility, when moon, can I meet Drunky, when 1 billion market cap, and is this sustainable or not? You must read the frequently asked question for better understanding about our project. Here you can see the social platform like the Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. Here you can see their latest news and posts right here, and you can also check it out the comments about the project right here. Honestly, I love the energy behind this project. It's fun, it's different, and it's definitely stands out. But now I want to hear from you. What do you think about Drunky? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and stay connected with Crypto Waves for more crypto breakdowns. Make sure to follow Drunky on their official social media channels to stay updated. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!